Hey y'all, it is another vlog. This time it's a little different. Well, first let me say welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am JD Jalandria, owner and operator of J Nicole Custom. I am a hairstylist. I make salon vlogs, day in the life of a hairstylist, tips on how to build your clientele, and all the good things. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey, it's me, Pooh. It's me. So look, it is, what's today? Well, it's Thursday night. It's technically like Friday. But this is the start of a new vlog. I just finished actually editing my first like week in the life of a hairstylist vlog. That was jam-packed. That was a lot. It was a lot going on, but I got it done. I'm kind of getting in the groove of like having a camera and filming and editing and transferring and filming and editing and transferring, and it's just a process. But so it is a new vlog. I am basically, so by the title, as you can tell, this is my second vendor event of the summer. And this is the program, well, this is the company that I did a pitch competition with. If you guys watch my previous vlogs where, if y'all watch my previous vlogs around, I think maybe springtime, I was pitching for a competition to win up to 6K. I ended up winning 100K, and the business is 100K ideas. It's just basically a business to help you get your business idea off the ground, give you all the resources, and just like potentially give you funding. But really great experience. However, one of the guys reached out and asked me if I wanted to be a part, if I wanted to have my own table. So of course, jumped at that opportunity. It is for the Flint Art Walk. I'm not sure if it's just like, I know it's hosted by 100K, but I'm not sure if like it's gonna be other things going on downtown tomorrow. It is a Friday night, and it's pretty late in the evening. After everybody gets off of work for sure, because it's from 6 to 9. Set up for the event is 5:30. Well, between 5 and 5:30. So yeah, I am gonna film the process, my whole day tomorrow, and just create a little vlog. Of course, my twin sister is coming down to help me, because you know that's just how it goes. Like, that's just how it goes. But I'm really excited. I love vendor events, y'all. Oh my god, just peep my hair. So I did film like a quick like little video of this. Of course, it's TikTok, so I am going to insert it so y'all can see, but I love it. I actually updated my travel braids because they were just like straight back braids, just like a traditional travel braid install, but they definitely had grown out. I had them for about 2 weeks, definitely had grown out, and it was time for a refresh, but I didn't want to take my style completely down, so this is what I came up with. And yeah, so I will update y'all tomorrow. I will see y'all tomorrow. And if you notice anything different, I am actually filming with my freaking tripod finally. It is a handheld tripod, so it makes everything so much easier. I can extend my arm, and the camera goes back so much. The camera goes back so much farther. I really have to play around with the edits. But anyway, so I will see y'all tomorrow. Hope you guys are interested, and stay tuned if you want to see how my event goes.
I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. Shawty is going at you.
Hey y'all. I have to figure out how to turn like this softness off. Not completely mad at it, but we can give the girls real face, okay? So it is 11:30. A very transparent moment, very honest moment. I am about an hour behind as of now. I went to bed, the last time I checked in with y'all was about like 11, almost midnight. I went to bed around midnight, 12:30 maybe, and this morning my alarm did not go off. Like, I didn't hear, and I want to say I set like 5 because I knew I had to get up, I had to do my makeup, I had to get dressed, like figure out what I was gonna wear. I had an idea of what I was gonna put on, but I wasn't like, you know, completely sure. So I set about 5 alarms, y'all. When I say I did not hear one of them, I didn't hear one of them. And my phone wasn't on the charger, so when I woke up, I automatically was like, oh my God, why haven't I heard nothing? And it's daylight out, right? And I went to find my phone, picked up my phone, y'all. I had like 2 messages, a missed call, and then like other messages or whatever. But like, what the fuck? I don't know how this happened. I don't know. However, I did say I had consultations today. I lied. I only have 1 natural enhancement today because the way my books is set up, I have to go up to the school. I have to go up to the community college today, so I can make sure like everything is set and straight, right? And then I was going to go and get my stuff from the suite and just kind of be hanging around downtown until it was time to set up. So I only had one appointment, which is really good because now my time isn't like that backed up. Like, I'm not that behind because I just have 1 appointment. However, I am really not feeling the fact that I'm an hour behind. Luckily, not even luckily because it's still bad, but like luckily I do this lady's daughter hair. So like the lady who's coming is one of my client's mom, and I literally do my client like every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks max. But she knows, like she know me. She knows me. That's my story time this morning. I am on my way to my suite. I'm en route. I definitely, obviously need a cup of coffee. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, your girl don't got to get herself nothing to eat because guess what? My husband bought me Chipotle yesterday, but by the time I made it home, I was just like, I'm not even hungry. Like, I was hungry, but I was like, I'm not even hungry. Like, hungry enough to open it, because you know when you open a Chipotle bowl, there's no fucking closing that bowl back. And I'm just like, I'm not even this hungry to open this bowl and like try to maneuver with it. What's the new word? Maneuver with it. What? Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, so it's my update. I'm really actually excited. I have this sweatshirt on because I checked the weather before I left. Yes, my adult ass checked the weather. Honey, don't tell me nothing about checking the weather because I know how to check the weather before I leave my house. So I checked the weather and it is supposed to be like 62 tonight. So instead of bringing a jacket or trying to find a jacket or going to buy something, I'm just like, let me throw on my little sweatshirt and I'm going to keep talking because I'm going to keep talking. But anyway, so I will see y'all later. I might insert a clip, or I probably won't record my client because I don't have that time today. I don't have that luxury today to be trying to record a TikTok or video. I will see y'all shortly. Peace out. Check. So this is the shirt. Well, it's actually a sweatshirt. I just cropped it because that's what I do. It's a twist your and twist, finger coils, braid outs, bantu knots, flat twist, and then it just says Jane Nicole Custom because that's what the natural girlies wear. This crop sweatshirt, a little cute belt, my black jeans, Doc Martens. This is Fit Check, Doc Martens with my little brown socks, and then my black jeans, belt, sweatshirt. I'm about to just get my bin ready. I take like a little bin every time I go and just put everything in there. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll probably finish filming my TikTok video that I started, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I will see y'all. Filming a TikTok. and drink coffee. Okay. That note. Two set on there, two set. Gotta come hard. I think that was it. Let's see. She was cute. She could have went a little harder, probably. We're gonna go with her.